In this video, we're going to show you how to record audio on your PC with Audacity. So first, go to Google, right? We're on Google. Just type in Audacity, and then it's going to be the first. It's going to be the first option here. So click on Audacity, or just click on Downloads. Right, Downloads. You're going to be brought to the Downloads page. You have Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So click on Windows, and then click on 64, of course. So after you click that, you're going to have this on your download screen. And then when you click on that, you're going to be brought to this, right? So setup, we're going to set up in real time. Click OK. Click next, next, next. Okay, desktop shortcut, sure, next. And then click install. It's going to be fast because Audacity is a very small program. So since we need to record audio right now, usually people just untick that because they don't use it immediately. So, but for this purpose, click launch Audacity, click finish. So it's going to launch, right? So this is Audacity update checking. So, okay. So this is Audacity, right? So what you want to do is click on File, and then click New, right? And then click, this is the record button here. Click on this red dot or click R. So now we are recording Audacity. As you can see here, it is picking up my microphone. And yeah, this is a test. So after this, I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's play it back. So now we are recording Audacity. As you can see here, it is picking up my microphone. And yeah, this is a test. So after this, I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. And there you go. So that is how you record on Audacity. So to save it, click on File, click on Export Audio, right? You can say Project, whatever, but it's Export Audio. And you can choose the type of file format, where to save it, so on and so forth. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.